Welcome to Antimatter Garage. Today I'm coming to you on my cell phone because my video camera is on the fritz again for some reason. This is just going to be a really short video. It's really intended more for AEM, the provider of the water injection system I put into my Spider when I supercharged it. Should be the next video coming out. They want me to destroy the controller because apparently it's not functioning properly, and rather than sending it back or just keeping it or throwing it away or something, I guess they want proof that it's not being kept. So anyway, that's all this is. Also, for the guys on Spider Chat, you can hear what the car is doing, so you can make comments on that. Thank you. So there's the AEM controller that they want me to destroy. I find this annoying for a few reasons. One, I think it sends a strong message to your customers that you don't trust them. I know that people steal things, I get it, but I don't think this is a very common item for people to even want. I mean, I tried to buy water injection system, and I checked about, I think, 8 different sources. And out of those 8 different sources, like 6 of them didn't sell them anymore or went out of business. So clearly not a real profitable item. In addition, I think that the controller is one of the least expensive parts, right? I mean, it's probably something made in China that it's got a PC board in there and a couple of knobs and an LED. So, I mean, to make a system, you need the water pump and, in my case, solenoid. You also need the tank with the level sensor, the nozzle. That's going to be something that's, you know, important that you can't just pull off the shelf at Home Depot, right? So whatever. I mean, to me, either this is a very inexpensive part, in which case, who really cares? Or it's an expensive part, in which case, why am I not sending it back to them to have them, you know, remanufactured or something? Whatever the instructions were to destroy, and that's what I'm going to do. So this next part is for AEM. All right, AEM, there is the part. Hopefully you can read the number on that. Here's me destroying it. I'm just going to open it up. I kind of like to see what's inside if I'm going to be destroying it. Alright, so I've taken it apart. Just wanted to see what it looked like inside. It's a couple of pots and LEDs, some chips and stuff, you know, what you'd expect. I have an idea of how to destroy this thing though. Watch this. Alright, AEM, there's the unit. Hopefully you can see the serial number on there. This is the car it's going in. Not running so well right now. Also, this integrated circuit came off when I broke it open the first time, just to see what was going on in there. So it's definitely not working anymore.